The Welding Techniques program offers practical hands-on skills to be able to weld various metals combined with knowledge and theory needed in the industry.
Getting into this program, I ended up really getting into welding itself. I learned that the field offers a lot of diverse pathways, whether it's industrial or artistic. And not only that, but it's a helpful skill to have.
The welding program, I chose it because at the time when I was looking at the website, I thought it was the most interesting one. In the way it's prepared me, if I were to take a welding job, as an apprentice to journeyman, I'd say I'm pretty prepared for that.
Coming into the program, I had zero experience with welding. I had never taken a shop class, and my skills grew from zero to the point where I feel confident in my abilities to lay a weld.
The welding program trains students to become employable in the welding field. After completion of the program, they are able to come in and write their CWB certification.
The community among students is really judgment-free. I feel like we're all learning from each other because we're all at different points in our welding careers, and we're rooting for each other.
Take your time and don't rush into anything. Make sure to practice everything you learn. And the one I think is most important is to bring an auto-darkening helmet, just to make your life easier.
One piece of advice I would give to anybody entering the program is to not get discouraged. There's been lots of times where I've been laying the weld and I thought it was never going to look good, but you just keep at it and eventually you'll get to where you want to be.